Hey dolls, my name is Leah and welcome to my channel. It has been a while since I've done a video and you know, it's 2020 now, day 1 in quarantine after this whole coronavirus is happening, and a lot has happened since 2019. I got a boyfriend!
Hello!
So today's video we're going to be doing the boyfriend does my makeup challenge and his name is RJ.
Nice to meet everyone. We're going to see how this goes because I don't know what any of her makeup is, so
yeah, so today's topic we're going to be trying to do like a cutesy...
I pretty much just figure out how to do her makeup and I have no idea what I'm doing, so it'll probably be entertaining for you.
Yes. He watches me do my makeup in the morning, but I really don't explain what I'm doing, so this is gonna be interesting.
Oh, it goes right over my head. I pay zero attention. I just see you doing this.
And don't mind the terrible lighting. It's like, you know, evening time, so it's not daylight time. So, let's get started.
Alright. Primer. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna use my one question now.
Really? Are you sure?
I'm sure. What do you use to start?
Primer.
Fuck. I had it.
Think of like painting a wall. I'm your wall.
Today I'll be painting my girlfriend's face. I already used up my one question. Whoa, look at how that landed. That's weird. Alright. All primed up. Repair cream, that sounds good. Let's see. Foundation, that sounds like somewhere to start.
Now you have to choose the right shade because I put many shades in the... No,
that's too dark. What do we think, guys? Is that a good color?
Yeah, I'm white.
Alright, we're gonna send it. I'll take that as a no, don't do that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
This can't be right, you just do... Feel like Vincent Van Gogh up in here.
RJ Van Gogh.
Van Gogh, I got the moves, bro. I get myself an 8 on that. That's actually... How
is his blending skills? Everyone comment below.
I don't think that's that bad.
I look like a freaking vampire.
No, you don't. I think this is eyeshadow. Close your eyes. Is it not eyeshadow?
I can't freaking tell you.
It's gonna look nice.
Just do it!
Stop peeking. You're curious to what it looks like. It looks good. I'm a genius. I'm a makeup artist.
So I'm letting him use my expensive palette. Can I say it's burning?
No, you're not allowed to say it's burning.
Mommy.
Close your eye, close your eye. Look at her eyes. Close your eyes and look at the camera. Oh yeah, that's just the beginning. Now we're gonna step it up. We're gonna use this palette thing. This is for her eyes. Since I already did purple, we're gonna stick with purple.
Show them the palette.
We're gonna go with purple because her eyes, I did purple. Oh yeah, look at that. She got the magic sparkle. Shh, don't mess up my artist. My art.
Artist?
Don't mess up my art. We've got some shimmer. I don't know what shimmer is, but we're gonna put it on her eyes.
Let us.
Close your eyes. Put some more pink on her eyes. Oh, look at that shit. Oh my. Oh, nice. Okay. Alright. Thick with 3 C's. Grand Drama. Thick mascara. Alright. Lip gloss. Alright, let's do some lip gloss. Fuck her up, buttercup. Do some of this for me. Mix it all around. Nice. Yeah, she thinks she's funny. She gave me some. Let's see, what is
How am I looking, guys? I can't look,
eyeliner?
but
I'm gonna use
looking.
eyeliner for your eyebrows. Okay, see? Which? She's scared.
Dude, no, don't read my facial expressions. Just
She's
do what
scared.
you gotta do.
This is empty. Oh, okay. Yeah, I like this. I don't know why she didn't like this. Look how thick her hair. What? I guess I gotta be a little bit more careful. Alright, come here.
Come on,
Come here.
come on.
I'm gonna draw on some eyebrows for you.
Oh.
You're welcome. Yeah, I was gonna wait till the end. See, that was a lot smoother, even though it's still garbage.
Fill in my eyebrows, dude.
That's what I'm doing right now. Beautiful. Alright. Bronzer. I feel like that's a contour. Put it on her face.
Make. Oh wow.
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yes. Fire.
Make me a New Jersey.
Switch the other way, miss.
Make me a New Jersey Snooki.
No, we're not going that dark.
Make me Snooki.
Alright.
Am I pretty?
You are beautiful.
No, am I pretty?
No, you're beautiful. Add some color. I guess we're gonna add a little pink to your face. Make you like Barbie. And then a little bit of pink. Turn the other way. Yeah, nice little bit of pink in there. Alright, we'll do some real brows. We're gonna fix her brows right now. That's right.
Can I get a cat eye?
What is cat?
A wing? What are you doing now?
The butterfly. Butterfly eye.
Butterfly eye?
Butterfly tip. Some pink. To offset the purple. Look at that. Look.
I can't because I wanna be surprised by your
You should be
gorgeous work.
Alright, we're gonna do a nice. I know what we're gonna do here. We're gonna do a finesse. Let's see, I need a small one.
Explain to what you're doing.
It's a surprise. You're gonna see we're gonna draw a cute shape. Turn this way. Ladies and gentlemen, she did so good. I gave her a gold star. Alright,
Hold
ladies
on,
and gentlemen,
ready?
let's get her
This is
reaction.
my reaction. We gotta put the light on. I'm really scared.
Alright, turn side to side. For being such a good sport, we gave her a gold star. On the other side, we gave her a cute little heart. She's a little cutie.
My eyebrows. He used eyeliner for my freaking
I didn't know. I
eyebrows.
think it would work. So scale of 1 to 10. Down in the comments below. Scale of 1 to 10. If it's anything less than a 9, I'm gonna be disappointed. What's your scale of 1 to 10?
1.
I thought I was gonna give it a 0. I'll take it.
Looks like a freaking 4-year-old drew this. Oh wait, he is 4.
24.
Alright guys, well that is it for this video. Thumbs up if you want to see me do his makeup and post it.
Nope.
Because he's not going to allow me. But I want all of you to message down below.
If this video gets 100 likes, I'll let her do my makeup.
Oh, you just heard it right here. Please guys, thumbs this video up. Like this video, subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a beautiful, magical, wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Mwah.